with no fees, offer robust flexible and no fee means airdrop and vesting pools, reveal and free support. Alright. So lots of things you can see. In this past 2 days, you will massively under 20 soul is FUD. Alright, so this guy was stealing ovals. Chain of ovals NFT and Jupiter Exchange DC app, game changer. They also have a token, you see. Ovals NFT is quietly up 5.5 in sold terms under the radar Giga Builders. So yeah, they are actually trying their website which used to know as Elixir by your yeah they this was also kind of like a marketplace, I'll say. They have apps, they have staking looks apps, burn essence or enter into a referral for whitelist, DCA gradually buy or sell using fractional NFT tokens plus dollar cost averaging. Overpack redeem a limited edition merch marketplace. They have a AMM marketplace on Solana, which I was saying. Yeah, they have the marketplace. Instant sale. So they actually offered these things, instant sale, and then offering AMM in NFTs. Legendary. So you see, they have actually built pretty much things, but they are not pumping that much. But I guess it's fine. I always trust the builder projects actually more than the PFP projects, but it actually varies because they have a direction they're going. Probably sometimes they just evolution. To this is their token, the dollar oval. So yeah, this was about oval. You can just go check on their site. This is a you know the gallery actually, Elixir Gallery Solana. I'll just introduce you a very great builder project which is very undervalued, where I actually work also as a team member. This project, Soul Decoder. This is also a OG project, like very old project, which is currently sitting on 1.175 Sol floor price. It's like plus 4% up. 24-hour sales is 12. The owners are 1.43k, 35.9%. So you see there are so many whales right there who are holding it back. You can go to their Twitter, go to their websites. So what are they about? They are also a very good builder project which is currently working on the